6 o'clock in the morning. At tingnan nyo sa labas, sobrang frosty niya. Tingnan nyo yung car ko. Ito zoom in ko na. Yan. Nag-yellow yung sasakyan ko. Nako, it's so icy. So, ngayon, magkakape lang ako. And get ready for work. Right, I'm going.
Okay, darling.
I know, I'm scared driving, sweet.
I'm not scared.
It's so frosty outside.
Be strong.
Woo! What's the temperature?
No idea. Freezing, I would call it.
Right, okay.
Okay, love you.
Love you too.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now drive carefully.
I'll see you later this
Yeah.
afternoon.
Yeah, hopefully we won't be as late.
Okay?
Hopefully. But you never know.
Okay, bye-bye.
Darling, take care.
Yung labas, nag-glitter-glitter siya dahil sa frost. Oh, it's glittering. Look, it's so pretty. Woo! Yan. See? Oh, it's nice and warm here. Yung temperature is 0 degree. 0 degree siya. So mga palangga, I need to take an extra care. So I'll see you after work. Pag nasa bahay na ako kasi natatakot ako mag-drive ngayon dahil sa frost. Newspaper. I'm finished. Whew. Oh my, I hope my car is not frozen again. Whew. Oh, it's frozen inside. I need to defrost my car. Ako naman, oy! Nag-frozen pa talaga siya. Right, I'm going. Nasa bahay na tayo. Nakalimutan ko yung susi sa bahay. At least naalala ko when I arrive at work. Tinext ko si Jen. Sabi ko na hindi ko dala yung susi. So iniwanan niya sa labas. Oh, meron tayong package. Ito. Malaki. Ano kaya yan? Nakuha ko na yung susi sa secret location. Hello girls. I know you want to have a pee. There you go. Come on, that's it. That's it. Do your business. Do your business. Come on now. Dito sa amin, nilalak namin yung aso namin kasi dito merong magnanakaw ng aso kaya dalhin natin to sa loob ng bahay. Ang fresh. Alam ko na kung ano to. While nasa labas yung mga bata. I-unboxing natin to. So, ito siya. Sobrang laki. Yan. Nakikita niyo yan? Yan. Alam ko na kung ano to kasi merong nakapangalan. Ito, ang laman nito, mga socks. And I'm just wondering, bakit ang laki ng box? I can understand why it's big. Kasi, nag-order ako ng blanket. Malaki pala ang blanket. Akala ko maliit lang. Mali ata yung in-order ko. Nag-order ako ng blanket para sa lounge. Kasi yung blanket na nabili ko sa Dunelm, I don't like it. Postman is here as well. Ano kaya ang dala ni Postman? No, it's okay, sweetheart. Merong letter. So, anyway, balik tayo. I think sobrang laki ng socks na to ay. Ito yung socks na binili ko para sa sarili ko. Heat holders yung make niya. Mukhang malaki ay. Ito, para to kay John. Ito rin. At ito rin. At ito rin. So, this is all for Mr. Kasi nag-click pigeon shooting si Mr. At sobrang ginaw sa labas. Tulad ngayon, it's frosty outside. So, he need a warm socks. Ito yung socks. Tingnan nyo yung tog rating niya. 2.3. So, makapal talaga yung material niya. So, ito, iwan ko lang I think ibabalik ko to. Kasi akala ko talaga maliit lang siya na blanket para sa lounge. But then, no. Sobrang laki niya. Anyway, titingnan ko yung letter ko kasi naka-address yun sa name ko. Saan na ba yung letter na binigay ni Postman? Nabayaran ko na yung car insurance ko. Thank you for renewing your car insurance, motor insurance from Direct Line. Okay. At ito, I think this is for John. Itong malaki na letter. So, yan. Ito lang yung unboxing natin. Plus opening the letters. Letter pala. Kasi isa lang yung letter para sa akin. Unsure talaga ako dito ay. Kasi sobrang haba niya. Peekaboo! Bibigyan ko lang sila ng shoes. Kasi nag-aabang sila sa akin na parang nasaan na si Mama. Nasaan na ba yun? Gustong-gusto to nila. Kaya ayun, pag pumupunta kami sa Asda, bumibili kami nito. Yeah, do you want some treats? Hang on, sweetheart. Slowly. 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 There you go. Tingnan nyo to. Yan. Pwede kang maghalo-halo dito. Right, so itatry ko to while Nagbabantay tayo sa mga alaga natin. Mukhang malaki talaga siya. I did not expect this. Na ganito siya kakapal at kahaba. Ang quality, the best. Kasi sa loob niya, tingnan niyo, oh. Yan. No, I need to return this. Hindi ko na siya itatry kasi meron siyang ganito, oh. Yan. So, kung sisirain ko to, hindi ko alam, hindi ako sure kung pwede pa ba siyang i-return. But I can see by looking at it, malaki talaga siya. At mahaba. Wala naman siguro ang problema kung susuotin ko lang to sa bahay, pero I don't need it, really. Right. Are you done? Right, let's just go inside and then I'll have a coffee and we'll have a walk around in the field later. Okay? Come on, Pipa. Phoebe. I know, sweetheart. I know. Come on now. Look what you've done to me, Pipa. Come on. Come on now, girls. There you go. Well, feed the dog. Kailangan ko lang ilagay yung uniform ko sa washing machine. Tomorrow till Wednesday I'm working, so this is my busy week. Walang pahinga this week kasi on Thursday pupunta tayo sa Manchester para mag-attend sa live session. Papakainin natin yung mga aso. At kukuha na rin tayo ng sticks para masindihan natin yung wood burner. I hope lang talaga yung lock hindi siya frozen. Kasi minsan ito, nagpo-frozen to. I think na-melt na siya. Yes, girls, calm down, calm down. Mangangatog talaga yung tuhod mo dahil sa lamig. Ganito din ba kayo pag nasa labas kayo at malamig? Sinisipon ba din kayo? Kasi ako, pag I am outside and this kind of weather, it's so cold, my nose is running. And I already lit the wood burner as well. Yan. Because the house temperature is 15 degrees. So this is my lunch. Hot cross bun and a hot chocolate. Yan. Yum. Kasi I need to do some editing. Marami akong i-edit ngayon. And I need to do my assignment as well. So, busy. I just got a delivery from Next. I think this is a Christmas present. Hindi ko... I-check ko muna. Let's see lang ha. Because I really think ito yung Christmas present na binili ko. But I could be wrong. Kung Christmas present to, hindi ko papakita sa inyo. Yeah, you can see I've ordered 3 no, how many? Yeah, you can see some of the items that I bought from Next. I bought 4 items, so 1 is a Christmas present. So hindi ko muna siya ipapakita sa inyo. So first item na binili ko sa Next is ito. It's a dress. Yeah, it's a dress. Hey, why it's so big? It says small, but it looks so big. I will try them on later. And the second item is also a dress. Ito siya. And the third item is a pajama set. So, try ko muna ha. So, ito yung first dress. I have no idea why I bought this dress. I think when I bought this dress, it was a love at first sight. But now that I have physically tried the dress, I don't love it. I don't know. It says small, the size small, pero sobrang loose niya dito. It's very loose. But, if I rate this dress, mga nasa 6 siguro. Pwede ito pang simba. Yeah, I think pwede ito pang simba. What do you think, mga palangga? Do you think I will keep this or not? Yeah, pang simba. Why not, diba? Mag-insert din dito ako ng picture sa actual picture with the model. Iba yung picture kasi with the model at ako. I like this one better, pero sobrang revealing lang niya. Yan. Ano to? Ano to? What is this? What is this? Parang ano lang siya? Bakit mayroon tong ganito? Please do not remove unless you are satisfied with this garment. Returns will not be accepted if this tag has been removed. Alright. Yeah, so if I rate this dress, I would say 9. I like the color. Sexy siya tingnan. Pero dito lang, sobrang revealing niya. Parang yung mga puppies natin lalabas na. Pero maganda siya. Yan. I will definitely take this in the Philippines. And the third item, ito. Sobrang comfy niya. Extra small. Ang ganda ng material nito ay sobrang soft. And yung pajama bottom niya, sobrang fit siya sa akin. Yung length niya, eksakto talaga. Change of plan tayo ngayon kasi ngayon sana mag-shepherd's pie tayo. Pero si John will dine out. Hindi ako sasama. Tinanong niya ako na gusto ko bang sumama. It's such a short notice. So sabi ko sa kanya, no, I don't want to go. Kasi nag-promise kasi ako sa mama ko na mag-online ako. Kasi kanina, while I am at work, online sila. So sabi ko na I will text you when I am at home. Pero nung nasa bahay ako, sabi nila, mamayang gabi na lang. Kasi mahina yung signal. So, matutulog na rin sila. So, ayun, hindi na lang ako kasama. So, sabi ko sa kanya na, no, you need to go, enjoy, kahit wala ako. Ina-encourage ko si John na pumunta kasi si John talaga, hindi siya pumupunta pag hindi ako kasama. Sabi ko, don't think about me. You need to enjoy yourself. So, ngayon, for my tea, we will have prawns and pancit canton and rice. So, yes! Makakain ko yung gusto ko. Nagbunyi talaga, no? Na ako lang mag-isa dito. Ano kasi, kami talaga ni Jan, pahirapan talaga kami in terms of food. We sometimes don't agree what we like and what we don't like.
So you're having rice and prawns here?
Yes, I'm having rice and prawns. Nandoon na si Mr. Gagamitin niya yung sasakyan ko. Hindi niya ako nakita. Sabi ko sa kanya, you go and be single for a day, but, you know, be responsible. Sabi niya, I always think about you. Nako naman to si Mr. Oy, ang sweet. So, ito na mga palangga. Ito na yung ating hapunan. So, ito yung shrimp. Yan. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng kaunting chicken stock. And yung chicken stock, nilagyan ko siya ng kaunting tomato sauce. Nagbiblink yung camera ko. Naku naman, oy. Ito yung pancit canton ko, rice, sausawan, and juice. Kain. Dahil nagbiblink na yung camera ko, hihintayin ko na lang siyang malubat. And kung malulubat na siya, babalikan ko na lang kayo after kong kumain. Titikman natin tong prawns. Sobrang sarap ng amoy. Nilagyan ko din pala ng Tabasco yung prawns para maanghang siya. Namimiss ko na yung gambas. Kaya ito, gambas inspired to. Yung pancit canton pala, hinaluan ko siya. Ito talaga yung pancit Lucky Me na pancit canton. At ito yung pancit canton na walang flavor. Yung pang ano ba, pang pancit talaga. He's here.
2.3.
Mr. will try the socks.
Here's a 2.3.
The socks has different tog
They're
rating.
2.3. Oh, these are 1.6.
That's like for every day.
Well, they're all for every day.
Well, this one, it says this is ideal for having your boots.
Having your boots.
Yeah.
You're wearing in your boots.
Yeah. So try them. Shall we go in the front room?
But they're both the same.
Let's go in the front room.
So
No, they're not both. Well,
them two.
them two are the same, but you need to try each. There you go.
Each. Why?
Oh, because the size.
Headache.
You got headache, mister.
That beer one, is it?
You've been drinking.
I just had that.
Just be careful with them because if you don't like them, we can return them.
Do they just...
No, on the side, sweet. There's a tape.
Well, we need some to cut it then, don't we? If you no, it needs cutting. Yeah, but why don't they come out?
Well, we still need to cut them off, yeah. I'll get the scissors.
No, I've done it.
No, there's like... Yeah. Don't rip them off. I think...
We've got one there and one in there.
Oh. Use this.
Ha!
Be careful. That's my Christmas present. And then I will
She's so
wrap
naughty.
it.
She's so naughty.
I'll wrap it, hun.
Look how long they are. Go on, Bennett, they're going to be up to my knees. And these are the ones that come right up like this.
Yeah, that's it. You see?
So you think they're warm, do you?
Mmm.
The only way to find out is to sit here with them on. Because always drag comes through there.
Okay, then try them on.
And if they stay warm, no draft, you know they're good. They feel very, very warm.
So what do you think?
My feet are sweating.
It's not...
They feel fine. They feel like there's no drop coming through them. Yeah. They might pass it with a 10 then once. But there's... Right, I'll leave that one.
Mm-hmm.
These are the next high tog.
What's a dog rating for that?
This is same as these, 2.3. There you go. Yeah.
They're proper winter socks.
And summer's nearly here.
No. Your country has no summer.
Of course we do.
No.
We have a long, hot summer.
Next year. While we're
This
away.
is long anyway, it's very similar to other. Oh, he's furry inside.
That's
Look at this furry.
yeah, that's for work. As in for proper work.
They won't rub your feet then. The only problem with them, I know this now from the fact, actually, these grip you. These feel like they might be ones, if you put them on your wellies, they'd fall down.
They're not designed for the willies.
No,
They are for like
work boots.
for working socks.
Feels warm.
The stripe suits you.
The stripe.
You have the connection of the stripe, honey.
The stripe. Right, so this one belongs with their twins.
Yeah, they're twins.
And that was this one,
And
which went like this,
the other pair
this went like this,
is
this went like this, and this went like this,
yeah,
something like that.
like that. That's right. Well done.
And it went in there like so. Something like that.
Mhm.
Draft now. No socket. These are, which ones are these?
That's like for every day.
These are ultimate thermal sock. Really?
Mm.
Where'd you get these from? I've seen these somewhere, you know.
I'm online.
Well, yeah. Oh, torn it.
Huh?
They do gloves as well.
They do gloves. They have neck warmers. They do hats. They do everything.
What are they like inside? These are furry as well. They're long. Very long. They grip your leg then, I think. Make your foot walk about them one.
Let me
Look at the
feel.
difference.
Because this is fatter.
That's what I'm saying.
That feels very nice.
She likes playing with my foot.
They're warm. I bought one as well, one pair for me, but it I don't know. I did not try them on, but it looks like it's very long.
As in up your leg.
I never tried them.
Well, they'd be good for wearing in your welly boots.
I know. And
Because you can pull them right up in your Wellingtons.
yeah, I can feel the draft here. I
Yeah.
thought you were just joking.
No,
Tingnan.
there's a razor draft there.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you for trying them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Always thinking of you. Ito na naman tayo. So, mag-o-open tayo sa ating 6th item sa ating advent calendar. Pasensyahan nyo na, ito talaga yung mukha ko kasi kakagising ko lang. Well, I've been awake for like couple of hours pero nakapajama pa din ako. Sana ba yun? Sana ba yung ating ika-6? Ito yung 6 item. Ano kaya to? Yung 5th natin, it's a brush. Yan. Oh. Oh. It's another lippy, I can tell. It's a filler instinct. Okay. It's a glitter lipstick. I like the packaging. Yung packaging niya sobrang cute. Pero yun nga, kung ang packaging cute lang at hindi magagamit, wala pa ding saysay. Yeah, oh. Maganda yung handle niya. May pag-gold-gold dito. And yung sa loob niya, pink. Sobrang feminine niya ba. So, titingnan natin. Wala akong naamoy. Ah! Amoy siya matamis. Amoy sweet. Pero ano siya, eh? Yeah. Lip gloss. Hindi ko siya muna itatry kasi, yun nga. Nakahilamos na ako, nakamumog na ako, pero hindi ko muna siya itatry. I'm not feeling at the moment na itry ko tong product. But ito yung pang 6 natin na item. So, inserted video to mga palangga. So, i-end ko na rin yung vlog kasi nag-i-edit ako at the moment. So, maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang suporta. Maraming salamat. Thank you talaga. So, bye!